In this video, I'll be showing you some common issues students used to have. So whenever they have paid for their JAMB admission letter or maybe their original JAMB results. So let me show it to you now. So let's go to JAMB website. This is my Chrome. Then let me log into JAMB official website, which is efacility.jamb.gov. Okay, let me just click here. So let me zoom this. You all know that this is JAMB official website. This is efacility.jamb.gov.ng. So let me click on it. Now this is the login page. So let me log in the first student first, a particular student here. So I'm trying to select, okay. Let me click on this particular student's email address. Now this is a particular student portal. Now let's assume that after which the student has paid for the admission letter. Let's start with admission letter first. So if you go to the admission letter, then this is the year, this is the exam year. Then let me select validate. Okay, now look at what it says here. Let me zoom this. Let me zoom this. So read here, it says, we discover that you have printed your admission letter before. Kindly let us know why you want to reprint. Meanwhile, the student paid for the admission letter and he or she hasn't gotten the PDF document. Do you understand? And it's already showing this. Okay, let me just enter any reason. Let me type no reason here. Let me type no reason. You may be facing this. So let me click on this. And now, okay, it said I should continue. Hope you can see. Let me zoom this. It said I should make payment. Good. Now, can you see? So after student has paid for admission letter finish, then the student will be experiencing this particular thing again, like repaying another money again. Please and please don't repay any money again, because if you pay twice, JAMB will not refund. JAMB will not refund you if you pay twice. So once you haven't gotten your documents, the PDF admission letter you paid for, which is 1,012 naira or so, and after that you went to the page again in order to print it, it's now asking you that you have printed before, why this, why that. Please don't pay again. Don't pay again. And also some students used to have this is another issue again. Let me clear this. Let me go to the website again. Okay, let me go to the website again. Efacility. Okay, this same portal again. All right, click here. Now let me log in these students. Let me log in this student. Okay, now let's look at this particular student again. Yeah, let's look at this student. After clicking on print admission letter, you can see. So let me select the year we want to print. Let me select 2025. All right, then let me click on validate admission and continue. Now see what it brought out. Can you see? This is kindly proceed to the nearby CBT center to reprint your admission letter. Your biometric is required. Now, what used to cause this is that is because you paid twice and the first payment has been used. You understand? You paid twice and the first payment has been used. So this is the second payment. So the student repaid again. So when you want to print your admission letter, if you have paid the first time, and the first time has been done, successfully used, and then you repaid again the second time, you'll be asked to visit TBT center in order for you to print your admission letter. So please and please, if you have paid once and you notice that your payment is successful, don't pay again. Like this candidate paid again the second time. Then printing admission letter second time, you require you to go to CBT center, but for the first time you don't need to go to any CBT center for your first payment or for your first admission letter printing. Now this is that about admission letter. It usually used to happen for original JAMB result too. Yes, some students will pay for original JAMB result, then they will be asked to repay again. Meanwhile, they wouldn't have gotten the PDF. So if you have any of this issue, such as you are asked to repay again, you are asked to visit nearby CBT center for anything, you are asked to do this, you are asked to do that, Please don't pay twice. Don't pay twice. Just pay once. Don't pay twice. Something like this now. Okay, let me see whether this candidate has printed it before. Let me check. Okay, so what we have to do is that if you experience all these any of these issues, such as you have printed your printer before, then it's still asking you to repay again, or it's telling you to go to CB Center for biometric on printing, please don't do that. Come down to my WhatsApp, following my WhatsApp number displaying on my screen. Come to my WhatsApp, send me your login details, I mean your email address and your password, your JAMB email address and your JAMB password. Send it to me, then I will log into your portal, help you to rectify it, and you are going to pay me a token. I mean just a token. And also, for those who want to print the original certificate, WAEC certificate, or probably you want to buy your NECO scratch card, your WAEC scratch card, your NECO result checker, or probably your NAPTEP, or if you want to do any educational services, don't hesitate to come down to my WhatsApp. If you want to have your birth certificate and then local government state of origin certificate, your tax clearance, I do all those, and I will send you the PDF on WhatsApp. And if you live around the southwest, I mean this Osun or your Lagos, Ekiti, Ondo, so I will definitely deliver the hard copy to you. That is what I do. I'm an educational consultant, so don't hesitate to come to my WhatsApp. And also, I'll be dropping our group link here. I mean our official WhatsApp group link on this description in this video. So do well to click to check it out and join. We'll be starting our 2026 UTME, WAEC and NECO tutorial, virtual tutorial. So it's going to attract a fee of 8,000 naira. Do well to contact us on WhatsApp or join our group link for more updates. Love you all. Bye.